Hi, my name is Rhys and this is Potentiometer light, right? Or as we'll be calling it during the slide, PLA. Goals. I wanted to make a series of lights that can go on and off in a sequence, kind of like a wave. So it would go, first one will turn on, second one will turn on, and it kind of like goes on. It's hard to explain. You'll see during when I demo it. I wanted to control the lights via potentiometer. I don't know if I spelled that right. And I thought of this project because I already have the potentiometer set up, and I wanted to make an array of lights. So I kind of combined the two ideas together because I thought that would be an interesting output. My design. I made a bus where I put all my lights. I put a resistor, potentiometer, and some lights, of course, in the bus to control it. And I set up the potentiometer to make it so the lights vary in speed in the sequence. This is a short side program. I used if statements, integers, int, digital right, analog right. Those are kind of the same. It's just depending on which two pins you use. And I coded via Arduino. Test rethink commonly asked questions. I would extend the amount of LEDs and potentiometers if I had a little more time, because it's an easy feat to do. It only take me about like 2 more classes to do. It's not that hard to do. It's so an achievement. It's a big achievement and it's also pretty cool. Because you can use more than one potentiometer. It's a little better. I tested my program several times. I'm not sure the actual amount. I'm aiming towards 20 or 25 times. I encountered many problems, such as my wiring, and I fixed that by double checking it. Usually the wiring was just my potentiometer wasn't plugged in fully, or I forgot how to set the potentiometer up. That happens a lot and it's a little confusing. I should probably write that down. Commonly asked questions. It took me 2 weeks. My favorite part, of course, the coding or programming, always. And I liked it a lot. I should probably demo first. Sorry. Let me plug this in. Okay. So it's hard to see if you can't see it. Sorry, but here are the lights right here. Let's turn the potentiometer. They blink a bit slower. Turn it up. They blink faster. And now that's basically it. It's pretty simple, but if I had a bit more time, I can make it better. And yeah, and it's using the potentiometer. So that was one of my goals. Any questions now? Yes.
What did you use the if statements for? Like, why would you need if statements in that project?
Let me see, one second. Well, if statements is used in this. Sorry, the font size is really big, so it's hard to scroll up and down. But this is like, it's hard to explain. Which one is turning on, and
what's V? Is that the potentiometer?
Yeah. Any other questions? Yes.
What would having more potentiometers do? You said it would be better to have more, but how would that change what it
Make
does?
it easier to turn. I don't know. Maybe I can make an individual LED for each individual potentiometer, so each LED has a potentiometer. I don't know. It would just make it a little bit cooler, because my project right now is really simple. Yes?
It doesn't have to be a lot, but can you kind of just skim through your code and tell us kind of what each thing is doing? It doesn't have to be that in depth.
Sure. Okay, right here, I'm setting up the LEDs and giving them quote-unquote nicknames. I set this one up as LED 2, LED 3, LED 4. This is a bit jumbled because I added the LEDs and the names like after, and I kind of mixed them up a bit. But I'm telling the computer. That was some sick music. I'm not complaining. Okay, so I'm setting I'm setting up the computer for an LED 2, which is a nickname, just like a second LED, and it's pin 7, and it's really jumbled. Sorry about that, but if it was better, it would go like LED 1. That's its nickname. Sorry, that's its nickname, and it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's the potentiometer. This is analog. That's what the analog read is. This is my serial number, and then pin modes. This is giving the input and output of my different LEDs. Analog, it's a bit cut off. Analog read, listing the values. See, it goes from 0 to 10,023. Yeah, and okay. Delay, it's giving a delay, and then digital write, LED 2. Turning it on, that's high. Digital write, LED 2, low, that's turning it off. And this is happening several times. I already went over that. And yeah, that's my code. So, I know I just went over it and I just did the questions, but any questions about the code? No? Thank you.
Right, very good job.
Oh, can I see it?